The digital landscape of work is constantly evolving, bringing forth a plethora of tools designed to streamline collaboration, communication, and project execution. Among these, Basecamp stands out as a popular platform, often lauded for its intuitive interface and comprehensive feature set. However, a common question arises, particularly for those seeking to establish a robust internal communication and information hub. Is Basecamp an intranet? As a project management expert, I understand the nuances of both project-centric platforms and dedicated intranet solutions. While there might be some overlap in functionality, the core purpose and design principles of Basecamp and an intranet differ significantly. Let's delve into the characteristics of each to clarify their distinct roles in the modern workplace. Understanding the intranet, your organization's digital home. Think of an intranet as your organization's private website, accessible only to employees. Its primary function is to serve as a central repository for internal information, communication, and resources. A well-designed intranet acts as the digital heart of a company, fostering a sense of community, transparency, and shared knowledge. Key features commonly found in an intranet include company news and announcements, a dedicated space for sharing important updates, achievements, policy changes, and general company news. This ensures everyone stays informed and aligned. Document management, a centralized library for storing and organizing crucial documents, policies, templates, and guidelines, making them easily accessible to all authorized personnel. Employee directory, a comprehensive list of employees with their contact information, roles, and sometimes even their skills and expertise, facilitating internal communication and networking. Internal communication channels, features like company-wide forums, departmental discussion boards, and even integrated instant messaging to foster dialogue and collaboration beyond specific projects. Knowledge base, a repository of frequently asked questions, how-to guides, and other valuable information that empowers employees to find answers independently. Onboarding resources, dedicated sections for new hires containing essential information about the company culture, policies, and procedures, streamlining the onboarding process. Company calendar and events, a shared calendar showcasing important dates, deadlines, company events, and holidays, ensuring everyone is aware of key timelines. Integration with other tools. Often, intranets integrate with other business applications like HR systems, CRM platforms, and project management tools to provide a unified digital experience. Customization and branding. Intranets are typically customizable to reflect the company's brand identity, reinforcing its culture and values. Security and access control. Robust security measures ensure that sensitive internal information is protected and accessible only to authorized users. Basecamp, the powerhouse of project collaboration. Basecamp, on the other hand, is fundamentally a project management and team communication tool. Its strength lies in organizing and managing specific projects, tasks, and the communication surrounding them. While it facilitates internal interaction, its focus remains firmly rooted in project delivery. Core features of Basecamp include project organization, the ability to create dedicated spaces for individual projects, keeping all related information contained and easily accessible to team members involved. To-do lists, a robust task management system allowing for the creation, assignment, and tracking of individual and team tasks with deadlines and responsibilities. Message boards, dedicated discussion forums within each project for team members to communicate, share ideas, and provide updates related to specific project aspects. File sharing, a centralized location within each project to upload, organize, and share relevant documents, images, and other files. Real-time chat, campfire, and instant messaging feature within each project for quick communication and informal discussions. Automatic check-in questions, recurring questions that can be set up to gather regular updates from team members on their progress or specific topics. Schedule and calendar, a shared calendar within each project to track milestones, deadlines, and important project-related events. Client access, the option to invite clients or external stakeholders to specific projects, allowing for transparent collaboration and feedback. Reporting and overview, basic reporting features to track project progress and team activity, integration with other apps. Basecamp integrates with various other productivity and business tools to extend its functionality. Comparing the core intentions, Information Hub versus Project Hub. The fundamental difference lies in their primary purpose. An intranet is designed to be the central nervous system of an organization, disseminating information, fostering internal culture, and connecting employees across all departments and projects. It's the digital equivalent of a company notice board, library, and social gathering space all rolled into one. Basecamp, conversely, is designed to streamline the execution of specific projects. It excels at organizing tasks, facilitating project-specific communication, and ensuring that project deliverables are met. While communication is a vital aspect of Basecamp, it is primarily project-centric, revolving around the tasks and discussions relevant to a particular undertaking. Overlapping functionality, where the lines blur. It's important to acknowledge that there are areas where the functionality of Basecamp and an intranet might overlap. Communication. Both platforms facilitate internal communication, although the scope and context differ. Intranets support broader organizational communication, while Basecamp focuses on project-specific discussions.